welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Capri, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these eyelashes in literally under 15 minutes. I am applying some lashes that are by Ardell. They are lash trios. First time ever applying these lashes, so I'm like really excited to show you guys how I applied these, because for my first time it came out bomb. As you can see, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. I've been a little MIA, but your girl is back, and yeah, so let's do this. I'm going to be showing you how I apply these lashes, and if you're interested, keep watching. But before I jump into the video, you already know what you gotta do. You gotta make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video, and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. So let's just jump straight into it. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna need are some lash trios. These are by Ardell. I picked these up from Target for $2.99. You cannot beat it at all. Also, I'm going to be using some hair glue. Yes, I use this for my lashes. I find that it holds my lashes on better. You can use eyelash glue, but I choose to use this glue. And last but not least, you're going to need some tweezers. Any type of tweezers is fine. I kind of like to get the skinnier tweezers just so I can kind of like see where I'm placing it. The thick tweezers, I can't really see over them, so I like to use skinny tweezers. And of course, guys, I got me a mirror as well. So let's go ahead and get started with applying these lashes. So in the package, it comes short lashes and medium lashes. I'm going to go ahead and start out with the short lashes first and work myself all the way until I get to the medium lashes. So I'm going to use the shorts in here and medium on the outside. Okay, so far I have done my right side, as you can see, before, after. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Go in and add one more on this side, on this end. Alright, I am all done. This is how they turned out. I think they turned out amazing. This is my first time ever doing these lash trios. I thought I would give them a try. Like I said, I found them at Target for $2.99, so you can't beat it. And I think I did this literally in under like 15-20 minutes, which is an A+ for me. So if you want to try this out, go to your local Target or wherever who sells these Ardell Lash trios and try them for yourself. Like I said, they're super easy, super fast, super affordable. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And like I say in every video, I will see you guys in my next video.